As we begin, I invite you to settle into a comfortable seated position. Take a few deep breaths and allow your body to completely relax. Feel free to either keep your eyes open for now or let them softly close. And take a moment to acknowledge having created space for yourself today. Enjoy not hearing your phone go off, no alerts pinging, not having to answer any questions, not having to do anything at all. Just breathe. Our world has become increasingly active, noisy, and chaotic. With so much stimulus, reconnecting with silence has become more important than ever to our health and well being. And while for many of us, silence consists of nothing more than the absence of sound, just as important is the inner silence that meditation can bring. Silence from our constant thoughts, self-judgments. A silence in which we are able to see ourselves for who we really are. A state of being in which we simply rest in the peace of our own inner awareness. The silence we cultivate in meditation creates a pause, an interruption in our mind's habitual tendency to be perpetually active. This in turn allows the silence to expand. And if cultivated rather than avoided, this silence can grow in profound ways. Let's try it now. If you haven't already, let your eyes gently close. As you listen to my voice, ask yourself, who is listening? Is it your mind, your body, or perhaps something deeper? An indescribable awareness. This deeper awareness is the silent witness. It has been with you your whole life, the essential you that's remained ever present as you grew from a child to a teenager to an adult. It is your source of stillness, of silence. It is the calm and peaceful presence that lies beneath the chaotic activity of your mind and body. Breathe into this stillness, this silence. Accessing the silent part of you is like using a diving bell to descend beneath the churning waves on the ocean's surface to the calm seabed below. A place of tranquility from which all the ocean's activity is born. In this place, stress, worry, anxiety, fear, regret, anger, and conflict all cease to exist. Allow them all to dissolve into the silence. In our meditation, we'll be using both the breath and an intention to awaken the silence within. As we go deeper into our inner stillness, remember to let go of any expectations and ideas of what should happen. Now, with your eyes gently closed, become aware of the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of tightness, tension, discomfort. Release and relax, accepting your body just as it is in this moment. Bring your attention to your breathing. Observe the inflow and outflow of the air through your lungs. Inhale slowly and naturally, pausing briefly at the top of this inhalation. Exhale completely, slowly allowing your lungs to empty without force or effort. Continue this breath a few more times. Now, at the end of your next exhalation, silently repeat to yourself the subtle intention: be still. Pause for a moment and then inhale again. Pause, exhale, and repeat silently: be still. Continue this process. Inhale, pause, exhale, be still. Whenever your attention drifts away from the breath, effortlessly return to the practice. There's no need to use force or effort. Repeat the intention very softly, like a whisper to yourself. Be still. As the great Sufi poet Rumi once said, let the waters settle and you will see the moon and the stars mirrored in your own being. We'll continue like this for the next few minutes, and I'll be back when it's time to end the meditation. Enjoy. Now, please release the intention. Continue to sit comfortably with your eyes closed for a few moments. Be with the silence. Be with the stillness. Have the intention to carry this feeling of peace with you back into your daily activity. Let's conclude this meditation by taking a full, deep breath in. Slowly let that go. And whenever it's comfortable for you, allow your eyes to gently float open. Every time we meditate, we bring a little bit of this quiet place into our daily lives. And it becomes easier to find the peace and stillness inside of us, even in the midst of chaos. Namaste.